to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good customer of ours asked us if we'd represent this and sell it for him on consignment. So here it is, 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually shows a very regular maintenance schedule on there also, and confirms miles. It's a little over 113,000 on this particular vehicle. Sun Fusion is the color that Toyota gave this. Yellow exterior, white top. Cloth, I'd say dark charcoal interior. If you want to check out the engine bay, the interior, the undersides of this vehicle, so there's 100 plus pictures online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726 as you can get a good shot at the grill, bumper, everything up front. Now there are a few imperfections. Had kind of a couple little rock chips here and there. Vehicle has been driven, a little over 113,000 miles on it, but overall very nice looking, smooth running vehicle. We'll open the hood here at the end, fire up the 4-liter that's underneath there. That is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, all the later model amenities are going to be on this one, from power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Of course, the 4-wheel drive. Towing package back here in the rear. This one has a subwoofer in the back. Also going to see a parking assist switch when we get to the inside. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt cruise, all the good stuff. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This will also come with a front end cover and a couple floor mats for the front. You can see it has rubber flooring in it. When you check out the still pictures and when I get around to the driver's side to take a peek there also. And those still pictures, mentioning those, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Of course, these had a 4-door system. You had to open this front one, and then this rear one will open up to get into the rear seats. Rear seats do fold down also, and you can check out those rear seats in the still pictures. So of course, here's what we're talking about: power windows, power mirrors, tilt and cruise, AM FM CD player. Again, that AC blows cold. And we are going to go fire this up. Let's hear it run. Check out the engine bay. We'll look at the exact miles. Remember, 6-speed manual paired up with that 4-liter. All right, 113,977. As you can see, radio's working. A few things down here if you want to check those out. That's where the subwoofer switch was. Parking assist. Looks like a locking rear diff. Traction control, I'm assuming. Dash, all nice shape, not sun baked or faded at all. Headliner, good shape. Taking a look at the seats, as you can see on those, pretty much free of any rips, tears, holes, and again, kind of a dark charcoal, I would call it. So seating area is also in nice shape. Slip around to the rear. Sounds as you would expect an 07 FJ to sound. No crazy exhaust modifications, anything like that on it. Once again, clean Carfax. Very regular maintenance schedule that was upheld on there where it shows on the Carfax. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here it is, the hood open. As you can see, nice and clean underneath the hood. Clean, tidy engine bay. You can see the original bins and the fenders up here. They're also smooth running. If you've watched our videos before, Lots of times I'll say it's what you don't hear underneath the hood that is the best. There you go. Variable valve, V6, 4-liter. 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And once again, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.